So, eto nga po yung dahilan kung bakit ako lakad ng lakad. Hey there everyone! This is just a continuation of my blog about expensive ownership cost of having a car in Central Madrid. Another reason po is Madrid is extremely walkable. Magkakalapit lang po yung neighborhood. So, sa Pilipinas, pag naglakad ka po, pawis na pawis. Dito, hindi ka po papawisan. So, parang fresh ka pa rin. At of course, pag lumabas ka ng train at ng bus, papunta sa work mo, meron ka pa ring lalakarin kahit papano. Doon po ako naglalakad. Kasi may nagtatanong, sabi, bakit nilalakad mo? Malapit lang ba? Of course, paglabas mo ng train, di ka naman, jump ka na lang doon sa building na pupuntahan mo. So, generally not practical to own a car in Central Madrid due to excellent, affordable, and extensive public transport. The metro and bus systems are fast, clean, and run frequently. Another reason po ay yung mga restrictions. So, strict pollution protocols po sila. Dapat A-label ang sticker mo so you can circulate in the city center. Another reason po ay yung high parking cost and low availability. So, everywhere in the city center po, may ticket po yan. So, per minute po ang charge dyan at minsan wala ka pang makitang parking area. So, that's a problem. Next expenses po ay yung car insurance and maintenance. Expensive po ang cost niyan. Yung insurance, depende yan, yung bayad kung third-party coverage lang o comprehensive coverage. Mas mahal po ang bayad dyan. At ang insurance, depende po sa driving profile mo. Kung matagal or bago ka lang nagda-drive. Depende rin sa mga driving records mo kung may mga violations and tickets ka. So, 100 euro for minor offenses and over 1,000 euro for serious violations like drunk driving. So, prices for overspeeding and phone use is more or less 200 euro. Good luck! So, pag itinotal mo po lahat yan, including or plus the gasoline, mas ginastusan mo pa yung sasakyan mo kesa sa sarili mo. Plus, you have to pay the road tax and municipality tax. So, this is why driving in Central Madrid is heavily discouraged. Public transport is heavily promoted to reduce environmental impact.